ACL injury is a tear or sprain of the anterior cruciate ligament, one of the strong bands of tissue that help connect your thigh bone to your shin bone. ACL injuries most commonly occur during sports that involve sudden stops or changes in direction, jumping and landing, such as soccer, basketball, football and downhill skiing. Many people hear a pop or feel a popping sensation in the knee when an ACL injury occurs. Your knee may swell, feel unstable and become too painful to bear weight. Signs and symptoms of an ACL injury usually include a loud pop or popping sensation in the knee, severe pain and inability to continue activity, rapid swelling, loss of range of motion, a feeling of instability or giving way with weight bearing. Depending on the severity of your ACL injury, treatment may include rest and rehabilitation exercises to help you regain strength and stability, or surgery to replace the torn ligament followed by rehabilitation. A proper training program may help reduce the risk of an ACL injury.